The New York City Marathon is a bucket list race for a lot of runners, and this year Jessie and I have an opportunity to run it. So it's time for us to hop on a train and head north to experience the party of a lifetime. This is our weekend at the New York City Marathon.
Everybody having fun? Yeah! We made it into New York City, and we're gonna do a little bit of exploring before we head over to the expo. Gonna visit Tracksmith first, and then maybe get some lunch, then the expo. One thing to make note, it is November 1st, and I'm out here wearing a t-shirt. It's like 70 degrees out here right now, so that's interesting for the first of the month. Now, I am all about that carb life, and I love pizza, and we're gonna go to one of our favorite places to get said pizza called Two Boots. While in New York, you know, we have to actually stop at one of our favorite bakeries to get our favorite vegan chocolate chip cookies from one of our favorite bakeries. Gonna chomp down on that. That's more carbs. Hello.
Yeah. Hello. First New York City.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's going to be a great time. Enjoy it.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye.
Is this your first? Oh my god!
All right, bib number is secure, t-shirt is secure, bag is secure. Now time to check out New Balance. Wow, what a whirlwind. It definitely was quite the experience just getting through the New Balance line. There's a lot happening over here right now. That was literally just to get through the New Balance section. Got a couple things, and now we're actually heading to the larger part of this, which is the true expo portion. just finished up inside the expo area, and boy, I feel like expos nowadays, I feel like there's just a lot of things that are going on. I don't know if I can actually handle it so many times. It's pretty much just people everywhere, and it's just, I feel like I can't find my bearings sometimes. But yeah, got some stuff, got my bib, got some extra t-shirts, met a lot of cool people. Now it's time to get some food. Where are we going to? We're going to a place called Red Bamboo. Now, Jessie and I have been to Red Bamboo several times before. It's a perfect spot for some vegan comfort food. It may be small on the inside, but boy, it packs a punch when it comes to food. For our starters, we decided to go with crab rangoon. Let me tell you something, this was absolutely delicious. It was crunchy on the outside, smooth on the inside. It's one of those dishes where you can just keep eating and not get tired of it. But we had to move to our main course, which this dish was a first for us when it comes to Red Bamboo. We decided to go with the macaroni and cheese with tempeh bacon. So good. Good morning. It is Saturday, the day before the race, heading to a shakeout run with a bunch of friends. Really excited about, and I might be a little late, but we'll see what happens. Now, this was my first time doing a shakeout run, not only in New York City, but with the Runna crew. But the thing is that there were a couple of familiar faces. One of the things I really love about shakeout runs is you get a chance to meet up with some new people, just strike up different conversations, and just kind of interact with other people in the running community. And today there was nothing but sunshine, good vibes, and good times. All right, heading back now. Such a great time spent with Team Runna and running with Co and a lot of other amazing people out here. Now it's time to get back, get showered, grab something else to eat, and then meet up with a couple friends for lunch. We are in the Times Square area, and we're meeting up with a friend of mine and his wife. It's been a little while since I've actually seen them. We're gonna have a nice carb-loaded lunch, early lunch at Carmines. Now, I heard this place Carmines had large portions, and boy did they deliver. And this was perfect for carb loading for race day. It was great spending time with my buddy Joe and meeting his wife for the very first time. It seems like we're always meeting each other at World Marathon Majors, which is actually kind of fun because the last time we met up was in Berlin. All right, so I just got done writing my name on this little thing that's gonna go above my bib on my shirt. So hopefully, from what I hear, people will cheer your name if you write your name on your bib or your shirt. So this little makeshift thing, what I originally wanted to get, didn't show up in the mail fast enough. So I had to do a makeshift version of it. But yeah, we're gonna do what we can. Next thing we're gonna do is do some more carb loading.
Yeah, our shrimp hot plate, including a seafood with cheese. We are. We're gonna start with our corn.
All right, it is marathon morning, and we're up. It's about 6:30, around 6:30 right now, and I'm gonna get some breakfast made. Got the hot water going for some oatmeal. Not too thrilled about the temperatures right now, but that's gonna be what it is. I think it's like 30-ish degrees outside right now, but yeah, we got plenty of layers for waiting out at Starting Village or Starters Village. But we're gonna eat our oatmeal and watch some of the news, hopefully catch anything when it comes to New York City Marathon. Hopefully catch any footage they have there.
Ted Metellus about what we can expect today. Gowanus, Park Slope, Fort Greene, Williamsburg, and then Greenpoint. The course then winds its way into Queens for 3 miles. Then wind their way out of the borough across the Queensboro Bridge. That then takes the runners into Manhattan, where they head uptown along the east side en route to the Bronx. Once there, runners hit the dreaded wall at mile 20 before heading over to Harlem and down Fifth Avenue, where they tour the historic Museum Mile. That leads to Engineers Gate and Central Park, where runners face the final leg of their journey, where the 26.2-mile race comes to an exciting finish at the famed Tavern on the Green.
Our start time's not until 11:30, so yeah, I'm gonna do that and get a couple things ready to go, and then we're gonna head out the door.
We are making our way to the train now to catch a ferry at 8:15, hopefully. And it definitely is a bit chilly out here. Definitely is a bit chilly.
I'm a drop in the ocean, just a face in a crowd waiting to be seen. Big dreams set in motion. I wanna go where no one's ever been. I would climb the highest mountain. I would dive the deepest sea, just so I could make you feel what I feel. Aiming for the sky. Yeah, I really thought we'd make it. Got my head in the clouds, but I can see the world from up here. From up here, from up here. The world from up here. From up here, from up here. Can see the world from up here.
So we just got off the bus. We are walking towards a corral, and of course I have to pee as soon as I get here, but Jessie happened to find some random porta potties that have 0 lines.
Go ahead, call me crazy. I always see the good in everyone. Blue-eyed and naive, wow. Way up here, I can see the sun. I would climb the highest mountain. I would dive the deepest sea.
Rockets, red glare, the bombs bursting in air.
Wave number 5, are you ready to get this party started? On your mark! Wave number 5 officially on the way of the 2024 TCS.
Let's go! Alright, just started off New York City Marathon 2024. We're on the bottom of this bridge. No sunlight down here whatsoever. But we're having fun. Everybody having fun? Yeah! So we're at mile 2. Definitely a little quieter here, but I'm sure it'll liven up shortly. So we're meeting up with the other corrals or waves, it looks like. Now it's a party. Point right now, going over to this bridge and feeling pretty good. Sun's still out, good vibes. It's a little quiet, but still good vibes.
There's really nothing like the New York City Marathon. It's by far my favorite race. Running this race and seeing the city show up really puts things in perspective. It's all about how we show up for one another, no matter how fast or how slow.
It's so quiet on this bridge. How are you feeling?
Good.
All right.
Another bridge! Yay!
As runners, we can sometimes get wrapped up in numbers, whether it's goal times, PRs, paces. We sometimes forget to have fun. Put those numbers aside and celebrate the fact that we get to do this. I always say that it's not just you running a marathon, it's everyone else that supported you the whole way. Family, friends, runners that you just met, loved ones. We're all running this race together. I'll also say that running this marathon alongside my wife was one of the best decisions I've ever made. As runners, there's one thing that we should always remember. It doesn't matter how fast or how slow you run, you're still a runner. And when it comes to running a marathon, know that you can do this and you will do this. And finishing a marathon is one way you can show the world what you're truly capable of.
One more mile. Just wrapped up
Welcome to the finish line,
2024
everyone.
New York City Marathon. Time for a medal, poncho, something to drink, some food. Man, that was a great race.
After the race, we had a long walk out of Central Park. And we actually had one thing in mind, going back to our favorite bakery and picking up a free cookie. We most certainly earned it. After we showered up, we went to one of our favorite vegan Mexican restaurants, Jajaja. It was great to sit down, eat good food, and just talk about the race.
We just wrapped up at one of our favorite Mexican places, Jajaja, and I tell you what, it's always delicious there. Great to have post-marathon. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel, just chill out for a little bit. All right, it is the Monday after the marathon, and feeling pretty good for the most part. A little stiff here and there, but that's kind of to be expected, I guess, after a marathon. We're gonna go get some breakfast. We're gonna get some bagels at a place we just found a couple days ago. Really excited about it. They have bagels we can have, and gonna have that and pick up some coffee at another one of my favorite spots that we found the last time we were in New York City that I really enjoyed. So, gonna get bagels, coffee, and maybe possibly have some lunch with our friends again before we head out.
Now, when visiting New York, Jessie and I always find it essential to find out the best bagels in the area. Now, I've tried this place and another place, and I feel like this one actually is better than the other. But honestly, I only went to 2 places so far, and I feel like I need to try out more options when it comes to bagels. There's a super chill vibe in here, and they also have vegan cream cheese, which is actually the reason why we went here. Not a lot of places by us offer vegan cream cheese.
We just picked up our bagels from Pop-Up Bagels, and the vibe in there is actually really cool. It's the first time I actually went in there. Jessie went in there last time, and I know these bagels are delicious. I'm excited to bite into them, but now we're heading off to one of my favorite coffee places in the area to get some coffee. But we also may stop and get another one of those vegan cookies from Levain, however you pronounce it. The delicious cookies. We're gonna get those again. Got them last night, got them a couple days ago, and I get them again just because they're so good.
New York City Marathon Weekend was a blast, and honestly, I can't wait until the next time I'm able to run this race again. But I'll have to wait a little bit, because I have another World Marathon Major that I have to run.